Max RS, everyone. Bit of road rage. Someone's trying to get a scooter out and whack him with it. Mental. I picked all this up thinking I was going to have to go over there to help Max out, but anyway, welcome back to a video. It has been, I think it's been something like 3 months since I filmed anything. As you've seen at the start of the video, I've put a GoPro mount here on the seat cowl and also on the front of the visor itself to get a few different angles. I'm going to work out getting some sort of mic somewhere. I might either stick it in my jacket pocket or underneath here to get some actual good audio of the exhaust. Please excuse my eBay sticker that's peeling off. Obviously, one of the most recent videos I've done, in fact the most recent video I filmed, was putting new bits on the bike. So I put new R&G bobbin on, the GB Racing, the knockoff GB Racing covers. Since the last video I've replaced the carbon fibre exhaust heat cover again because that was damaged. The can is still just as scratched, but you can buy an Akrapovic sleeve. It's all genuine, so the new titanium will go on. You get a new strap, a new rivet, so it will look brand new again. BMW want 200 quid to replace this bit of plastic which is scratched, although I'll probably just get it painted at a body shop. But yeah, it really has been a very long time since I've put the GoPro on and filmed anything at all. I have been riding quite a lot recently, especially with Max and some of the other boys, but I needed to get the camera back on and get some content out there. Here he is on the street triple. What was that all about?
Oh, I don't even know. One of them was threatening the other one with the scooter.
I saw that. He got out of that.
I wish I had my on my chin.
I put this on and realised you were arguing over there. I picked up all the shit to go over. I thought if I go over there, this is all going to get nicked. So I started walking.
Just fucking stop.
So random. Penzance road rage. Really? Fucking hell. That's Penzance for you, mate, that is. Is he? Big Louie Chezza. Where do you want to ride to after this?
Don't know. Where are you thinking?
Don't know. I don't mind. I don't know how much battery I've got left on this bad boy though. Here we go.
Did you?
Huh?
You bought them in
I bought these in Holland, yeah. Yeah. I've got my gauntlet gloves on now because I've got a new leather jacket, which is the Alpine Stars. I don't know if you can see it in the reflection. Missile V2 ignition, which is the one with the hump on the back. And it's bloody lovely. I actually tried it on in the at the NEC in Birmingham, and it was really cheap there, but I didn't end up getting it. But I bought it recently. It was just under 500 quid, which is actually quite reasonable. Still a lot of money, but that's just how much this kit is. Cheers, mate. I'm sure I've got everything. I don't know what I've got. Huh? No, it's not on. I'll turn it on now. There he is. Max. Let's go down here and spin around at the roundabout. In fact, no, let's just go back. Yeah, I know. I've been working in Penzance all the last week. It's a nightmare. Let's go up here. Just go this way. Shouldn't do, really.
What you boys saying?
Not a lot, mate. What are you saying? Go in front of me, Max. Let me see it. Yes. That is sick, isn't it?
How much is that?
Yeah, it flashes straight away, doesn't it? Nah, as soon as he touches the brake. Do it again. Yeah, that's really cool.
Is that legal?
Yeah. So what a lot of brake lights do that now, do they? Or indicators, they flash amber quickly before, if you're slamming the brakes on hard.
That's only if you're
Yeah. I don't know if you can hear it in the video, but I've got a vibration from the front end of the bike, and I think it's my screen, because as soon as I touch it or pull it up ever so slightly, it stops making that noise. It's in sync with my revs as well, so it's really annoying. Apologies if that's picking up on the microphone really bad. I have no idea where we're going. I've muted them on the cardo for a minute just so I can hear myself think. I'm assuming we're going this way then. Guys, if you have made it this far in the video, although this is probably only a few minutes in, I don't know what footage I'll add or not, give me a thumbs up, give me a comment down below what kind of stuff you want to see. I'm of course going to make an effort now to be more consistent again. I know ironically it's turned into winter, but I'm not a person who just puts the bike away for winter and forgets about it. I will be out when it's, you know, safe to. As long as it's not full of ice everywhere and the gritters haven't been everywhere, I will be out on the bike despite how cold I get. I'll just put an extra layer on. So yeah, let me know what kind of stuff you want to see. I've been posting a load of stuff on Instagram recently as well. My good mate Jack, aka R50 Photos. We got some sick photos the other night, so go, all my links will be in the description anyway. Check out my Instagram and check out my TikTok, so you can see a bit of the behind the scenes sort of things that I do. Also last night met up with my mate Joseph, who's literally an award-winning photographer. He's unreal with a camera, as well as Jack. Went out last night with him and Max. Louie joined us afterwards as well, so it won't be long. I'll have some sick photos once Joe has done what he needs to do with them. Really looking forward to seeing them. Again, I'll post those on my Instagram too, so drop me a follow on Insta if you do want to see those. So also a couple of weeks ago, me and my group, we joined 1,600 other bikers and done the annual Martin Jennings run in honour of Martin, who passed away doing the Isle of Man TT 38 years ago. He was from Beacon in Camborne, which is in Cornwall, right where we live. So every year, a load of us go out for a massive ride. It's a charity event. I think this year the money was for Children's Hospice. We raised something like £9,000. But to be honest, I should have filmed it. The atmosphere was absolutely wicked. There's bikes everywhere, you couldn't move. Great fun though. Some of the bikes there were insane. The police were even there with their S1000RR, which was all covered in police liveries. It's always quite interesting seeing one of those. They're not actually pursuit vehicles, but I think they bring them to shows and events to get a bit of interaction and show them that they're supporting as well, and they're not just there to pull you over and catch you out. They're trying to be amongst the groups as well, which is I rate it, to be fair. I get it. Which way are we going? Straight ahead, you say? Don't know, I guess so. Yeah, you fucked them up, Louie, to be fair. He told you not to, you done it and fucked it, mate. His oil's everywhere now. Oh, Max, it's pissing out. Max, it's pissing out. It's pissing out, mate. Pull over, pull over. Pull over, mate. I'm joking, it isn't actually pissing out. I got fuel yesterday before we went out to Joseph. A few dirt bikes there, boys. Nah, fuck it, I can't be bothered.
I got 94 miles now, so.
If I had a fuel gauge, I'd let you know, but I can't.
Huh?
If I had a fuel gauge, I'd let you know how much fuel I need, but.
Outplay, yeah.
Tell you what I can do is look.
That is true. Yeah. I kind of wish I didn't sell my one.
Can't even see.
Oh, you had a fucking kid, yeah.
Well, it'll do me to go to Portrayed and back.
Never used it.
If I don't, then I'm screwing myself over, aren't I?
Oh, I got 2 bars now, come on. 2 bars can't make it to Portrayed and back, and I need to fucking get a new bike.
I feel like I should put some fuel in. Fuck it. Fuck it. It's happening. Oh, fuck, they ain't got 99 here, have they?
Put some in.
Yeah. This vehicle is reversing.
Oh,
Oh, shut up, Max, mate. I'm only here, mate. I'm only here because of you. Literally. You just call me a wet blanket.
Yeah, fucking wet. You're a wet fucking blanket, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're not even wet. You're fucking soggy.
Thanks.
Soggy wet blanket. What me? Why is my bike taking so much fuel? Because it hasn't got much in it.
Max, you look like a reduced Ginster's pasty from Spa.
You're like a fucking mouldy crumpet, man.
Do you know how we're friends and that? Do you want to fill my tank up for me?
I did that for you on the Jennings ride, mate.
No, I'm joking.
I've just put it down.
I'm really joking.
It's your turn to fill my tank up now, Louie.
That is true. Your turn to fix my car then.
Yeah, alright, fair enough. Give me a
Your turn to
spanner.
finger my ass then.
Give me a spanner and I'll see what happens. Right, 5. You putting diesel in, Louie, are you?
I'm filled up with diesel, mate. Lubricates your fuel pump.
Oh, decent.
Yeah.
Or slower.
Yeah. I'll eat it on the way. Are you getting one?
I might
What
do,
you
yeah.
buying?
Shut up, Louie, we're not even talking about you.
Cornetto.
You actually got a Cornetto?
Sorry, guys, yeah, we are queuing. We're too busy looking in the fridges, aren't we?
That comes through, didn't we?
In cash, Max, are you?
Yeah, man.
Is that from all the jobs you get paid cash a hand for and don't tell the gov site about?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, that's the one.
Fuck the tax man, isn't it?
Shall I read out your home address and put it in the YouTube video?
Imagine if the tax man was actually a person, how much abuse you'd get.
He is a man, he is
That's
a person.
the one, mate.
GoPro's about to die already, that's good, isn't it?
Shit GoPro, man.
And shit batteries, mate. GoPro have the worst batteries known to man.
Is that?
Yeah, mate.
Fuck the tax man.
Oh, there's mud on the road here, Max. I need a new helmet, boys. Alright, mate.
No worries, mate.
Didn't expect there to be any other bikes here, to be honest.
Although it's literally empty. Okay. No worries, mate.
There's an S1000R there.
Yeah, it is. I was following it that way.
My helmet's going all over the place. Yeah, really bad. I can't see what I'm doing. How close am I to you? A bit too close.
Hello. Hello, mate.
You doing any filming, did
Yeah, a bit, but my GoPro's about to die. Don't know what any of the footage is going to look or sound like, but it is what it is. I haven't used it for so long. Nah. Yeah, mate. You filmed, have you?
Probably not enough to make a video.
If you're not, I'll piece it into something. Nothing to do with you, mate. Yeah. Do you want to do my outro for me?
Sorry?
Do my outro for me.
Thanks guys, that was another episode of Auto.bay.
Like and subscribe. Peace.